let me tell you something harsh. Most Americans aren't poor because of bad luck. They're poor because of traps they don't even know they've fallen into. Traps designed by the system. Traps designed by corporations. Traps designed to keep you earning, but never keeping. And in 2025, these money traps have gotten worse, and they're silently destroying people's financial lives. But not you, not after this video, because today, I'm breaking down the 5 money traps that keep Americans broke, and how you can escape every single one. Let's get into it. Trap 1, the paycheck to paycheck lifestyle. Here's the uncomfortable truth. Most Americans aren't struggling because they don't make enough. They're struggling because every dollar has already been mentally spent before it even hits the bank. New clothes, new gadgets, Friday night delivery food. Feels small, but over a month it's hundreds, and over a year it's thousands. Fix. Pay yourself first. Automate 10 to 20% into savings or investments before you touch anything else. Make the lifestyle fit the income, not the other way around. Trap 2, buy now, pay forever. BNPL apps like Klarna Afterpay and Affirm feel harmless. Just $14 today. But here's the trick. When something feels cheap, your brain buys more. Americans are drowning in tiny monthly payments that add up to massive financial stress. Fix. If you can't buy it with cash right now, don't buy it. BNPL is not convenience. It's a debt disguised as a favor. Trap 3, credit card minimum payments. Credit card companies love minimum payments because that's how they trap you for 10, even 20 years. You think you're paying down the card, but really you're just paying the interest while the debt barely moves. Fix. Pay 3 to 5 times the minimum, or use the avalanche method. Pay off the highest interest card first. You don't build wealth when your money is going to someone else. Trap 4, income illusion. You get a raise, and suddenly your lifestyle upgrades too. New furniture, new phone, new subscription you didn't need. This is called lifestyle creep, and it's the fastest way to stay broke even with a high income. Fix. Keep your lifestyle the same for 6 months after any raise. Let the extra money build your future, not your ego. Trap 5, the I'll invest later lie. Most Americans think they need a big salary to start investing, but that's a trap on its own. Wealth doesn't come from big money. It comes from small, consistent investing over time. If you wait, you lose years of compound growth, and that's the most expensive loss you can ever experience. Fix. Start with anything. $20, $50, $100. Just start. Your future self will thank you. Conclusion, empower and call to action. Most people don't get trapped because they're irresponsible. They get trapped because no one showed them the rules of the game. But now you know them. So ask yourself, which trap are you escaping today?